I gave you my heart.
Okay guys, so I will be recreating this potatoes pizza from Owusu's kitchen. Okay, so with her she used yam, but I'm going to use potatoes because she said you can substitute a yam with potatoes, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, all right, so I have my shredded cheese. You can use any kind of cheese, and my seasoning, and my lettuce, salt, curry powder, bell pepper, and this is tomatoes, pepper, and onions. And that is my sausage. You can substitute it with something else. 2 eggs and a little bit of sauce. And the order for the day is the potatoes. So you can use yam, or I think you can use anything for the base. Okay. All right. Let's dive into it. So guys, so our potato pizza, is it pizza or pizza? Whatever it is, pizza. Okay, so our potato pizza is ready. As you can see, it's really looking cheesy and yummy. So you want to, check your heat, okay, so that it doesn't get burned. My own almost got burned, guys. So Charlie, it's really yummy and cheesy. Try. Can't wait. Charlie, if you are by my side, you are invited to my house. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. I will see you next time. Bye.